Today we're going to be making a very popular meal, snack, peanut butter and jelly. Some items you will need: a plate to put it on. This is a butter knife, really good quality. On to ingredients: jelly, peanut butter, and this last ingredient is a bit of a shocker because it's not in the title of the dish, but you will be needing bread. I'm just going to take these 2 pieces of bread, smack them down. Take your knife, put peanut butter on both sides. This is especially helpful if you're making this sandwich for a lunch, because then the jelly doesn't seep into the bread. Other side. Hi, Shane.
I wash off the knife in case anyone has a peanut allergy.
Now just take jelly, same knife, now clean, and just take this much because I don't like jelly, and put it on one of the pieces of bread. Now for our final step, we are going to take this and put it right on top. And there you go. Peanut butter jelly sandwich.